Do you feel more comfortable living under American law, or do you feel more comfortable living under Sharia law?
Sharia law.
I'm a Muslim. I prefer Sharia law. Sharia law, yes.
Would it be better if we made it illegal in America to make fun of the Prophet Muhammad?
Definitely, yeah.
Do you think we should make a law that makes it illegal to
That would be better, yeah. That would be better.
Yeah.
To stop, aggression.
If you had a choice, would you rather live here or would you rather live in a Muslim country?
I'd rather live in a Muslim country with my people.
Would you prefer to live in America or prefer to live in Somalia?
For me, I think it's Somalia.
You prefer to live in Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Would you rather live in America or live in Somalia?
I would rather live in Somalia.
Wow. The filmmaker is with us. His name is Ami Horowitz. Welcome back, Ami. Good to see you again.
Always a pleasure.
Now, I have to ask you about those interviews.
Yeah.
Did you edit them down? I mean, like, did you do 50 interviews and then just edit it down to the ones you wanted that proved your point of view?
As a rule, I don't cherry pick, right? I show what, it doesn't have to be every single person gave that answer, but as a rule, I make sure whatever the majority of people that I see is reflected in my video. In this particular case, I probably did about 40 different interviews.
Okay.
Not a single person deviated from that line of answering. Not a single person.
Not one?
Not one. Not
what
one.
else did... Okay, on that tape we heard they want to live under Sharia law.
Right.
They preferred to live in a Muslim country.
Correct.
And they wanted a rule or law that says you can't make fun of the Prophet Muhammad.
Right.
What else did they
We took a step further. We said, do you understand or support violence against people who depict or make fun of the Prophet Muhammad?
Okay.
And their answers were all yes, across the board.
Well, there's political implications from what you've gathered there in Minnesota, because now we have this Ohio State University young man, a Somali, who was apparently taking not necessarily direction, but some inspiration from the internet and from ISIS. And so it's very much in the news. What do we do with Somalis who've come to America and don't want to be here?
Well, the problem isn't even necessarily that. That's a massive problem. The problem is, we talk about vetting, right? A vetting process. Right. But you can't vet for the kids or the grandkids. That's impossible, right? And the truth is, most immigrants who come here from these Islamic countries, most of them simply want a better life for themselves. They want what everything else wants, good economics. They want a job. They want safety. But the problem is that the kids, it's a different kind of immigration pattern with Islamic immigration everywhere in the world and here than other immigration, in that the kids get more radical the further down the line they go.